Right, we've got a classic Ford Capri 1984 model at Autosparx today. A bit windy out here, but alarm immobiliser tracker and a few other bits and pieces. We've also included a tracker alert to the owner if the alarm is triggered, so I'll just demonstrate that now. So if we open the door, get in the vehicle, that's our alarm and immobiliser triggering. There's your text message, comes straight through on your phone. Your push notification tells you where the vehicle is. We just silence it and then disarm. There we go. So yeah, it tells you where the vehicle is, tells you the alarm's activated, the time, the date, and you can log into the tracker at any time from your smartphone or any kind of web-enabled device to see where your vehicle is, get alerts if the battery goes low, if it moves when it shouldn't, etc, etc. Nice system to keep this classic Ford Capri secure.